Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. We're talking about trading today, and trading involves risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. Whew. Well, all right. I was actually not 100% sure if the markets were going to be open today. They are. It does not look like we even have a short day, so looks like we might be prime for a somewhat normal day. Yeah. All right. Well, for starters, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hold on. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. So, we've got a little bit of a. We are officially out of dark zone. That is not going to be a legit entry. Although I take it back, it is. Oh, shit. Mother, did I? What the hell happened? Okay. All right. Well, I guess I got it. Okay. Well, that's one that I was trying to actually exit that because I lost my TX, which was the whole crux of it. It was an HD play, but I didn't cancel it in time. Went through, got the win. So there you go. Okay, so now that that is over, we're going to take a quick step aside from all of this and just recap. Okay, so it's Monday, September 11th, 2023. Coming back in. So this is day 4 of 3 trades max, right? So I got the first one incidentally without necessarily intending to, but I did. So that'll be trade number 1, and then we'll just kind of play it out from here. We're sitting at the plus 0.5. I actually was not sure if the markets were going to be open today, as I was saying. Obviously they are. Oh, there we go. Mother. Okay, well that's 2. Try to get out of that one as well because I lost my trapped orders. I guess I picked up like 2 ticks on that. Jeez Louise. Okay, well. I don't even know what to make of that. It's just, I gotta be quick. Okay, so I need to see about setting up some hotkeys because I gotta be able to cancel out of stuff faster than that. Sit at the 0.5, which is definitely not the 0.25, but it's something nonetheless. Jeez. Ridiculousness. did like it. Don't necessarily want to fight through that. All right. that wraps me up for the day. That was fast. All right, so let's just take a look. That's okay. I'm ready to be done. But what that did was that put me above threshold, at least above the starting threshold on all of them, down as low as 5,004 up to 5,029. That's good. I'm ready to be on with my day. Okay, so all of that said, I am going to share with you guys my good friend and CEO of Apex Trader Funding will be the guest on the Trader Bacon Show today. There seems to have been a little bit of back and forth confusion as to whether or not I'd be doing the interview. As it stands right now, it does not look like I will be. I guess they decided the friend factor might not necessarily lead to the type of interview that we were going for. I don't know that I agree with that. I don't even know that that's the reason. But nonetheless, if you've been following me on the Trader Bacon Show, make sure that you grab a seat today. Whether or not I will be in there, or I don't know. I don't think so. But if that ends up being the case, I would watch it anyway. Daryl is awesome. I say this not only as a friend. He and I have been friends for, 20 plus years. Very close friends. In fact, we spent most of the 90s and early 2000s trying to start businesses together, and we finally did, and I ended up walking away, and that was Apex Investing Institute. That was the education company. At the time, there was just no viable way for me to stand in integrity and in that business, because I knew that I had a very difficult time with the whole trading process, and it was just one of those things that it was such an internal struggle every day. I'm very proud of the work that I did with that company and the fact that it took off, but I walked away early on. Ultimately, that led to Apex Trader Funding. Apex Trader Funding is ultimately what led me to be able to get back into trading in the first place. If you know my history, there was just no way I was going to be making another deposit, but getting an evaluation seemed reasonable. I was able to do that. And that has brought me to where I am now, which is and I'm trading every day. I mean, you guys see me in here. This was not something that I could have considered feasible year and a half, 2 years ago. And I have not quite gotten to the level that I want to, but I think that's an all-time gimme when it comes to trading. It is an ongoing journey and evolution and whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I still have a ways to go, and I still have some dragons to slay, so to speak. But if you've been watching, surely you've seen the difference. It's unmistakable, and all of that I can unequivocally say is because Apex Trader Funding exists. And so, if you have any questions about funding or about trading, or about what this company is all about, what Daryl is all about, you do not want to miss today's show. It is absolutely going to be spectacular. So, as the face of the Trader Bacon Show, I am going to suggest you watch it without me there. Well, I'll be there. I will be there as a viewer, as a spectator, unless I get the call and somebody wants to have a different conversation. So, it's funny. I got a text from Daryl last night. He's like, "Hey, man, you're not doing the show? You're not doing the interview?" I said, "Well, my understanding is no." He said, "Shit." He didn't say shit. He said, "I thought it was going to be you, and maybe we could get together and put together some thoughts." I said, "I would love for it to be me, but Somebody told me it was going to be somebody else. So I had to ask him who was steering the ship. He didn't answer me. He doesn't deal with that kind of shit. Anyway. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. I hope this Monday continues to be productive and helpful and exciting for you, as I hope it is for me. I hope to see you guys on the Trader Bacon Show. I'm going to see if I can pull up the link for today's show. There is, unfortunately, I don't do the link. I basically have to wait to be given the link. So hopefully it will be, given to me here in short order. I didn't see it before I started trading. So, I will, if I get it here on the quick, I'll post it on here. So anyway, all of that said, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Happy Monday. Appreciate you guys. I love you all, and God bless. I will see you soon.